good morning. Another day, another tile. Oh, Bella just wake up, I saw. Our friends are here to say hello. Hello. Okay, I need to go have breakfast. Got a lot of work to do today. Always busy. And back to the bathroom. But problems, the paint not quite dry. That's not good. That's why it's not dry. That's okay. I'm going to fix those tiles that were moving, like this one. I'm going to fix those tiles that was lifting, like this one. I got them marked. This one. Even one here with the extra glue has lifted a little bit. So I think what I've learned is that the main thing we need to give a very, very good pressing. Very important. All the rest are very good actually. They're not moving or lifting or anything. So just press it as hard as you can. That should be fine. I'm gonna wait all this dry properly. I'm not gonna walk in there. I mean, this is dry more or less. That was okay, but I can see the edge is still wet. Let it dry, and then tomorrow we start tiling. I'm gonna show you the tile we're gonna put in. Okay, that's the one. It's not exactly black. That will give less contrast, I guess. But that should be okay. Alright. But let's do something else while this is all drying. I'm busy making some stuff for Bella's birthday. Okay, she got my lunch ready. She's at the studio now. Look at Bella's mess. Anyway, that's it. Okay, let's see how we're going to position those tiles. That's not square. That's not square neither. Not quite square. That's completely out. I'm going to follow this one, the one towards the window. Why? Because here we're going to have the shower, the toilet, the sink. Everything will be on this side. So if it's not, done properly, that's okay. If you can adjust here all the way, make it straight, it's good. Let's just check how the tile's gonna be. It's gonna end up so no gap. One tile. Just roughly 2 tile. From here to here is about 6 inch. That's perfect. Middle one is here. 150. Okay, floor tiling, that's it for today. Look at those little pirates.
Where are the two? I think two stay there. Two of them.
I know Mimi very kind. Oh, almost walk on you.
Hello.
Bella is all excited. My love.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other
How many?
one?
You have to count them all the time. Look this one. Play with Bella.
Bella likes them because they're always leaking. He was so quiet before, and now he's so playful. He's the one always.
Hey, what are you doing there, guys? I haven't done much tiling today, but it's okay. Tomorrow we'll do more.
Yeah. She wants to
finish
follow
this week?
Mimi.
And then next week we start installing the things, but we have to go to Manila. Mimi, right there, you look after the puppy.
What?
Yeah, that's it for today. She's been working hard upstairs too at the studio. I don't know what she's doing.
I cannot
For
bring
customer?
her. She cannot go there because.
Everybody working hard here. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning.
Mimi wants to play.
Mimi, don't let them in. Watch this. See?
Now I wants to play.
She's the gatekeeper. Bella's so excited. Look at this one. You ask for the passport, okay? Don't let them in. They don't come in, huh?
No, this is tight.
That's good. Already had breakfast. Bella having breakfast with mommy, huh? Oh. At least she's trying hard. My fridge leaking. I know how to fix it, but whether I got the tool for that, let's see. There's always something. I'm still battling with the fridge. I couldn't find anything down here, but here they tell to put some boiled water. I would like to clean it properly, but I can't. I remove the screws, and this spoiler is not coming off. Even I tried to pull hard. I broke here a little bit. So how this come off? Maybe because it's all frozen behind. So I'm boiling some water. Just put some water, boiled water here. See what happens. Okay, hot water did work. It's unclogged now. Yoo-hoo! Let's put everything back. So from the freezer compartment, just throw hot water through there. I found this in YouTube, genius idea. Okay, let's put everything back. Okay, I just finished fixing the fridge, now back to the tiles. Almost lunchtime, so I haven't done nothing really. So let's get into it. This is to make sure we put the glue in the right spot and we don't overdo too much. Just make sure the floor is clean. We try to put two at the same time. I don't know if we're going to have enough glue to finish all this. It takes a little while before this glue becomes tacky. So we can spread for two, no problem. Plenty time. Hello guys, I come to see what the lady's doing. Oh my god. Oh, Maria birthday, is it? Okay.
Yeah, and there's more.
Oh, you don't know this, no wonder you're so busy.
Look, she's busy too.
And Bella's work hard too. She's writing Chinese on the wall. Did you? Is that a Bella? Bella? Oh yeah. What a mess. You having good fun, I can see. Messing around is your expertise. Yeah. Okay. I fixed the fridge.
And then?
Well, and then I put 4 tiles. That's all I had the time.
Did you put tiles
It's
under the
11:30
fridge?
a.m. already. And I start to get hungry. But I'm going to put more. Just waiting for those to dry because I should have started from the end of the room, not on the side. Because I can't walk on it. If you walk on it and get on your knees on top, the tiles may move.
Maria, Ave Maria.
Yeah.
Baltasar.
Still the sun. There hasn't been much sun lately. Art calligraphy. Ah, okay. And Baltasar. Oh, that's a lovely name.
Look, Daddy.
And then,
I've done a
oh my God, you'll be.
Sunday.
Oh, that's nice, Eliana. You're gonna be happy. Whoa. You see all that, guys? Excellent. Do you have a copyright to copy these Barbies? Just kidding. No, very good. Excellent idea. I'm sure that little girl will be very happy. Woo.
I need to.
Come on, you should go with your puppies. Hello, gorgeous. You have a great time. I know. Yeah. Oh, what are you going to do?
Rain again.
Oh, you're going to sit there? Okay. Is that your desk? Yeah, that's good. You can write there, not on the wall. Okay, it's rainy, but it doesn't affect me or even JM. It's only water. 160. This is a nice lunch again. What are we having?
Squid.
Squid in the ink. I love
Adobo.
it. We do a lot of that in Spain. Potato, yum yum. Toasted bread at the stove because our toaster's gone. So I need to replace. This one's gone too. It's got a big hole at the back, so we don't use. And now the toaster went up. What was that? Two days ago. Just a big flood came out. It's gone now. Oh my baby, you're eating by yourself. You eating well, my love? Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, enjoy. Yum yum. Tiling got a little bit slow, but slowly but surely the tiling almost half of the floor done. Anyway, after this beautiful lunch, have a little nap, and then we try to finish the floor there. At least the floor. The side we'll do later. We'll do tomorrow. I'm gonna run out of glue. That's the only thing I worry. That's it. Ran out of glue. So that's how far I've been. It's okay. Slowly but surely. I gotta have a beer now, have a rest. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video. Take care, God bless you all. Bye bye.